I'm Jeff Messmer. Welcome to the 2023 Roche Harbor Rendezvous. We've got sunny, beautiful weather, over 200 boats in attendance. Everybody's having a great time. We had seminars today, thanks to Volvo Penta, Yamaha, Steve Zediker Under Your Boat seminar. We've got chip and sip going on behind me. Margaritas tomorrow night, so come on down for that. Make sure you're doing the scavenger hunt. That's a fun thing. It sounds like Brett. Now I can't believe Jason wasn't involved also, but it sounds like he's got all of them, so he's definitely qualified. Everybody can qualify and get into the drawing for prizes at the Saturday event. People have already started decorating their boats, getting ready for the contest that we're having. I see Kraken, I see octopus, I see all kinds of fun, different decorations, and just having a great time here at Roche Harbor. So we've got a crabbing and fishing seminar in the morning, followed by a crabbing and salmon derby with cool prizes for that. That'll be a lot of fun. Cornhole tournament starts tomorrow. Let's take down Andrew and John. They think that they're amazing. They lost last year. Let's keep that going.
I don't know.
I'm counting on you. Let's keep it going this year. All right, well, welcome to the 2023 Roche Harbor Rendezvous. Thanks for coming out. Thanks for making it a fun time for everyone.